Welcome to this video presentation on instructional tools for learner engagement and collaboration. I am Sona Graham. This video was created as an individual assignment for EDTL6131. The three tools of focus are Screencast-O-Matic, which is a presentation tool for content delivery, Cetera, a drill and practice tool which allows for reinforcement of learning, and Animoto, which is a multimedia tool for collaborative work. In this video, I will describe each tool according to its type, category, features, and functionality. I will show how each tool can be used to enhance learner achievement, highlight the importance of the tool, and examine its suitability for specific learning environments. Finally, I will explore the most effective ways in which instructors can utilize each tool and its applicability in regional context. A screencast is a digital video and audio recording of what occurs on a presenter's computer screen. Screencast-O-Matic is a prominent presentation and teaching tool. It has three standout features: recording, saving in MP4 format in the SOM server or PC, and broadcasting to YouTube. This recording tool, which can be used to create sophisticated information-rich multimedia presentations, allows for content to be streamed or downloaded for future viewing. Cetera is an educational, exciting, and entertaining digital tool. It includes a geography game-based drill and practice feature for students and a customizable map quiz site for teachers. It includes 6 different game modes with fun quizzes that allow students to drill and memorize facts, with high scores leaderboards to keep track of their progress. All games can also be played offline. Animoto is an online cloud-based digital storytelling tool with a core function of a video maker, which creates videos of images, photos, and slideshows with background music. Students can develop short digital videos that include music, photos, video clips, and text, as well as share their creations electronically. Animoto has a free version which is suitable to students who operate on low budgets. Screencast-O-Matic is an asynchronous tool. It is ideal to assist students who learn at different pace. Students can watch, rewatch, pause, and repeat as often as they need to understand the content. Students who are absent from class would not miss out on valuable instructions, as they can access the video in their own time. Screencast-O-Matic can provide a student-centered and engaging learning experience in both distance and traditional learning settings. Students are afforded opportunities to focus on specific instructions, listening to the instructor's voice as if they were face-to-face. Because the tool is asynchronous, students can benefit tremendously from accessing content in a flexible and more convenient space. Students can also be facilitated to make a class video and broadcast for sharing among their peers. They can also create a screencast video of their presentation, share it with their classmates for feedback, load their recorded presentation to an LMS, and embedded questions for their classmates to answer. All the above activities from Screencast-O-Matic can facilitate learner engagement, which will ultimately lead to improved achievement. Animoto is a learner-centered tool. Utilization of Animoto involves the learner in researching content for stories, selecting appropriate pictures and graphics to enhance the story, applying editing skills to make stories meaningful and shareable, analyzing and synthesizing data, and designing image for publishing. In this way, learners' achievement through the utilization of technological skills propel them to higher levels of engagement. In addition, their high-order skills of analysis, value, and decision-making are further strengthened. Animoto is an excellent tool for students, not only to make connections, but also to make meaning, which in turn gives greater depth to their individual learning processes and critical thinking skills, as they learn from each other in a diverse environment. Finally, Animoto is a tool which integrates several digital skills. Therefore, consistent application of this technology can contribute significantly to development of digital literacy among learners. Satira is a game-based tool. The game feature of Satira makes it attractive to learners. Students enjoy gamification activities as they are more fun and contribute to spurs of motivation when they win. Learners like challenges and competition, which Satira facilitates through its leaderboard high scores. The challenges help learners to retain information as the questions are repeated and incorrect answers addressed. Game design thinking is critical to learner engagement and interaction. Participation in educational games provide learners with opportunities not only to interact with the content material, but also to compete with each other. Gamification has the potential to build self-confidence, which can further lead to better mastery of course material and learner achievement. Screencast-O-Matic, Satira, and Animoto are best utilized in the online environment as asynchronous communication tools, but are also suited for a technology-based classroom in which instructors can share videos via multimedia technologies for class discussions and reviews. Instructors can use Screencast-O-Matic in a variety of ways. As a matter of fact, all tools can be used in several ways, with options for creating, sharing, peer review, and providing feedback. For example, using the theme migration patterns in the Caribbean, the instructor can create and share a video on the arrival of the Spaniards to the West Indies, highlighting key concepts students should focus on, such as colonization, exploration, genocide. In class, students would be invited to engage with their peers on the findings of these concepts during the lecture presentation. For Animoto to be effectively utilized, instructors must be cognizant of the learner's needs for personal creative expressions, critical thinking, social collaboration, and knowledge creation. In so doing, they can use Animoto to create video assignments, giving the students guidelines for their production, For example, using the topic migration patterns in the Caribbean, students can be asked to select an ancestral group and create a story telling their origins, culture, and legacy in the Caribbean. Regionally, the Caribbean faces several obstacles in utilizing asynchronous learning techniques. Concepts such as digital divide and digital gap allude to the lack of access by many citizens within the Caribbean's small developing states. It seems therefore that the greatest obstacle in applying asynchronous learning may lie in complexities of access, connectivity, poverty, and digital ignorance. Thus, while internet connectivity to schools is in many cases adequate to meet current needs, there are challenges with cost. Web 2.0 tools can transform the teaching learning environment. They are powerful tools which support guided work, independent learning, and facilitate opportunities for reflection and peer engagement. These tools are tools of connectivity and global networking. They fit well into learning environments which interaction, engagement, collaboration, peer teaching, reflection, and master teaching are desired outcomes. While some critics of ICT used by learners claim how damaging it can be, the monumental benefits of utilizing these digital tools in the teaching and learning environment far outweigh the negatives. For example, suggest that overuse of screencasts encourages passivity, overdependence, and a general laid-back attitude among students, arguing that learners may become lazy, dependent, and can be distracted. However, despite the time-consuming nature of creating and utilizing these tools, instructors are better able to motivate and keep students' interest if effective use is made of them. The application of these tools in an integrated, complementary mode relates directly to 20th century educational theories of the social and constructivist framework put forward by Piaget and Vygotsky. Therefore, it is in the best interest of educators to explore how they can make digital tools a part of their teaching toolkit.